मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारञ्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। Last sutra, Akadhitam cha, 51st. There we have dealt with all the dhatus listed in the Karika Shloka, except the last three. Tadha syat ni hir krish vaham. Ete chatvarah dhatavah api अकथितं कर्म मध्ये आगच्छन्ति। नाम अत्र सामान्य कर्म, प्रधान कर्म, गौण कर्म। प्रधान कर्म कर्मण्या न विहितं चेत् कर्मणि विहितं, किन्तु अन्येभ्यः कारकेभ्यः अपि वक्तुं शक्यते। तथापि कर्तुर्विवक्षया कर्मण्या उक्तं चेत् तदपि अकथितं कर्म भवति। तर्हि नि प्रापणे इति धातुः अस्माभिः उक्तं। ग्रामम् अजां नयति। अत्र ग्रामशब्दः अप्रधान कर्म, गौण कर्म। अजा शब्दः प्रधान कर्म। प्रधान कर्मणि द्वितीया एव भवति। अप्रधान कर्मणि कर्तुर्विवक्षया द्वितीया भवितुमर्हति, अथवा ग्रामे इति अधिकरणकारकमपि वक्तुं शक्यं। ग्रामे अजां नयति। नयति इत्युक्ते प्रापयति। He takes the lady goat along with him to the village. Hru api prapane. Gramam ajam harati. Hru dhaturapi dvikarma yuktam bhavati. Gramam ajam. Yatha purvam grame ajam harati iti vaktum shakyate. किंतु विवक्षातः कारकाणि भवन्ति इति सूत्रेण इति वार्तिकेन अत्र अधिकरणकारकम् अनुक्त्वा कर्मकारकम् उक्तम्। एवञ्च कर्षति, वहति। ग्रामम् अजां कर्षति वहति। कृष इत्युक्ते पुल्लिंग द गोट इनटू द विलेज। वहति, वह प्रापणे। तस्मिन् सूत्रे एकं वार्तिकं विशिष्यते। अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे देशः कालः भावः गन्तव्यो अध्वा च कर्मसंज्ञकं भवति इति वाच्यम्। एतद् सूत्रकारेण अनुक्तम्। This is not told by Sutrakara himself. That is why Vartikakara has supplemented this Vartikam. What does he say? Akarmaka dhatu bhiryoge. When akarmaka dhatus are used, akarmaka means that doesn't desire karma. Na vidyate karma yasya akarmakaha. Deshaha kalaha. साधारणतया देशवाचकः आधारशब्दः किल अधिकरणकारकं भवति। तत्र सप्तमी युज्यते। किन्तु एतेन वार्तिकेन यत्र अकर्मकधातुभिः युज्यते देशवाचकशब्दः तत् कैन बी टेकन एज कर्म, that is to be taken as karma. So also kala. Kala means adhikaranam. Yasmin kasmin kale. There also kartur vivakshaya karmakarakam bhavati. Atra kalaha api karmakarakam eva bhavati. Bhavaha. Bhavaha ichukte dhatoho arthaha. The meaning of dhatu. What is bhava? Gam. For example, you take gamru gatau iti dhatu. Tatra gatihi iti tasya arthaha. Gatyarthakaha. Bhavaha means kriyayaha arthaha. That means, what does that verb signify? It signifies action. Action is bhava. भाववाचक शब्दः सामान्यतया भाववाचकस्य प्रथमा भवेत्, प्रथमी भवेत्, प्रथमा विभक्ति भवेत्, किन्तु अत्र अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे भावः अपि कर्मकारकं भवति. गन्तव्यो अध्वा. अध्वा मीन्स मार्गः. गन्तव्यः मीन्स टू बी क्रॉस्ड. द रोड, the way to be crossed, to be travelled, that also becomes a karma sanya. Kaladhvanor samyoge dvitiya iti vachyati. Adhvan margah kala vishayakah marga vishayakah vishayeshu अत्यंत संयोगः यत्र भवति तत्र द्वितीया भवति इति वक्ष्यते अनन्तरं, किन्तु तद् विरुद्धेन अत्र गन्तव्यो अध्वा इत्युक्ते तत्र अत्र अत्यंत संयोगः नास्ति. अनत्यंत संयोगार्थम् एतद् वार्तिकम्. We will take some examples. स्वपिति इति अकर्मक धातुः. He sleeps. देशः कर्मसंज्ञकं भवति. कुरून् स्वपिति इत्युक्ते कुरुदेशे स्वपिति इत्यर्थः. अत्र कुरु इति देशवाचक शब्दः, स्वपिति इति अकर्मक धातुः. अकर्मक धातुना युक्तम. सो दिस कुरुवाचक शब्दः, देशवाचक शब्दः, कुरु शब्दः, दैट टेक्स द्वितीया कर्मसंज्ञकं भवति. कर्मणि द्वितीया इति कर्मसंज्ञकम्. वी विल टेक कालवाचक शब्दः. मासम आस्ते. आस्ते आस उपवेशने. तिष्ठति इत्यर्थः. He sits there. That is also अकर्मक धातुः. कियन्तं कालं यावत् तिष्ठति तत्र, कियन्तं कालं यावत् तत्र उपविशति इत्युक्ते मासवाचक शब्दः, मासशब्दः, कालवाचक शब्दः. सो मासम् इति कर्मसंज्ञं भवति इति कृत्वा कर्मणि द्वितीया भवति. मासम् आस्ते. मासपर्यन्तकाले आस्ते इत्यर्थः. भावः गोदोहम् आस्ते अथवा गोदोहम् तिष्ठति. तिष्ठति सः कुत्रापि. He remains somewhere. Where does he remain? For how much time he remains there? गोदोहकाल पर्यन्तं, गोदोहन काल पर्यन्तं सः तत्र तिष्ठति. गोदोहनं नाम गवां दोहः. That is the churning of cow, milking of cow. तद् Godoha Shabdaha Bhavavachaka Shabdaha. This is used here to measure the time of his staying there. So, Godohana Kalam, Godoham Aste, Godoham Tishtati. Godohana Kalam Yavat Tishtati Chartha. Gantavyaha Adva. What is the distance, what is the way he has to cross? He has to undertake journey. For example, Krosha Vachaka Shabda. It is a word measuring distance. Purvasmin Kale Tadrusha Shabdaha Asan. Yatha Idanim kilometer ichadikam bhavati. Krosha Shabdaha. Krosham Aste. Karma Sanjakam Bhavati iti krutva. Krosham Aste. Krosham Tishtati. Krosha Shabdaha Gantavyaha Advanaha Visheshana Shabdaha. Now we will go to the next sutra. Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha Shabda Karma Akarmakanam Anikarta Sa Nau Karma iti anuvartade. Anikarta etadrushebhyaha dhatubhyaha gachyarthaka dhatubhyaha buddhyarthaka dhatubhyaha pratyavasanam nama gatim nama motion, buddhi nama jnanam, pratyavasanam nama bhakshanam, eating, gachyarthaka gamanardhaka, buddhyarthaka jnanardhaka, pratyavasanardha bhakshanardha dhatunam yoge shabdakarmanam yoge. This is one kind of dhatu. They are all called shabdakarma dhatavaha, where dhatu, the dhatoho acharanam shabdam utpadayati. When the performance of that particular dhatu's action is taken, it gives some sound. For example, pathati, pathanam, it involves making sounds. Adhyap, adhite, adhyayanam karoti, that also involves some sound. And mantraha, mantrocharanam. Slokate, they recite the sloka that produces sound. Gadati, gada vyaktayam vachi, vada vyaktayam vachi, bhasa vyaktayam vachi. Etesham dhatunam arthaha shabdakaranam. Dhatoho karma tasmin shabdaha utpadyate. Tadrusha dhatunam yoge, akarmaka dhatunam yoge. Akarmaka, already we have introduced this point earlier. Na vidyate karma yasya akarmakaha. There are certain dhatus enlisted as akarmaka dhatus for a student's ready reference. For example, there is one or two popular slokas wherein all these dhatus, akarmaka dhatus, where karma is not there for them, they don't desire karma, they are listed in the sloka. For example, Ruddhi, Kshaya, Bhaya, Jivita, Maranam, Satta, Labza, Satta, Sthiti, Jagaranam, Anantaram, Labza, Satta, Sthiti, Jagaranam, Nidra, Shayana, Krida, Ruchi, Deepyartham, Dhatuganam, Tam, Akarmaka Mahuhu. It's a very easy sloka. The dhatus symbolizing these meanings. What are the meanings here? Ruddhi. Rujyarthaka dhatavaha. Vardhate. एधते इत्यादयः. क्षय, क्षय मीन्स विनाशः. क्षीयते भय, बिभेति त्रसति इत्यादयः. जीवित, जीवति, प्राणिति इत्यादयः जीवार्थक धातवः. मरणार्थकः म्रियते, लज्जार्थकः लज्जा, लज्जते. सत्ता, भूसत्तायां भवति, तिष्ठति इत्यादयः. स्थिति, तिष्ठति. जागरणं, जागृ निद्राक्षये, वेकिंग अप, जागर्ति. शयन, शयनार्धक धातवः. सेते, क्रीडार्थक, क्रीडति. रुचि, रुचि दीप्तौ अभिप्रेतौ च, लाइकिंग समथिंग. रोचते, दीप्ति, प्रकाशः, दीप्यते. These are the dhatus enlisted in this sloka. There are another one or two good slokas. For example, we will take up another sloka. Shanti dhvani majjana vaiklabyam jrumbhana dambhana rodana hasanam kautilya autsukya brahma yatnaha glani jara samardhya charanam. These are also dhatus enlisted as akarmakas. Dhatus signifying this meaning. Shanti, shamyati, upashantim prapnoti. Dhvani, dhvanati. Majjana, getting immersed, majjati. Vaiklabyam, becoming impotent. Klibate, jrumbhanam, jrubhi gatra vikshepe, jrumbhate, yawning. Dambhanam, vanchanam, dambhate. Rodanam, weeping, roditi. Hasanam, laughing, hasati. Kautilyam, becoming curved, kutati. Autsukyam, utsaha pradarshanam, utsahate. Brahma, brahmu, sanchalane, brahmati. Yatnaha, yatate. Glani, glayati, mlayati ichadayah. Jara, jara means getting old. Jiriyate. Samarcham, shaknoti. Charanam, charanam means churning, charati. Ichadaya dhatavaha, they are supposed to be akarmakas. For example, some more dhatus also can be added here. For example, nutyati, nuti gatra vikshepe. Nutyati means dancing. That is also akarmaka. So, akarmaka dhatu bhiri yogecha anikarta etesham dhatunam yoge, when the verb does not contain nich pratyaya. Ani means na, ni. What is its nich pratyaya? Earlier we have dealt with it. Preranarthaka pratyaya. When certain dhatu, shuddha dhatu, we add nichi, that becomes preranarthaka kriya. For example, kri, dukri karane, karoti, shuddha dhatu prayoga. When you add nichi, nichi is nothing but e, kru plus e, due to some sandhi rules, guna rules, vruddhi rules, that becomes karayati. Karayati is Karoti means he does. Karayati, he makes the other do. Patati, he reads. Pathayati. Likhati, he writes. Lekhayati, he makes him write. Roditi, he weeps. Rodayati, he makes him weep. So also, they are nichi sahita prayogaha. Anikarta, etebhyaha dhatubhyaha यद लकारः भवति क्रियापदं भवति तद् निच्चि विरहितं भवति नाम शुद्धधातु प्रयोगे शुद्धधातु मीन्स कृ करणे लिख अक्षर विन्यासे पठ व्यक्तायां वाचि वद व्यक्तायां वाचि एतादृशाः शुद्धधातवः पाठ पाठि वादि इत्यादयः निजंत धातवः सो शुद्ध धातु प्रयोगे यह कर्ता अस्ति सह एव कर्ता शुद्ध धातुः निच् सहितं परिवर्तितं चेत when निच् is added to the शुद्ध धातु that is when कारी लेखी इत्यादयः प्रयुक्ताः then that karta in ani that becomes now, that means now means when niche is added that becomes a karma. That is the meaning of this rule. We have taken some examples of nichi. Gam, gamayati, pa, payayati, seeing, shayayati, nya, jnanati, nyapayati. Now anutpanne, when nich is not added, शुद्ध धातु प्रयोगे यह कर्ता तदेव कर्ता न्यंत धातु योगे कर्म भवति कर्मणि द्वितीया भवति. उदाहरणं स्वीकुर्मः. गच्छर्थकतः. गति मीन्स गमनम. सामान्यतया all these गच्छर्थक धातवः they also signify reaching a particular place or getting something into the hand, like that. सर्वे गच्छर्थकाः ज्ञानार्थकाः प्राप्त्यर्थकाश्च. So we will take all types of such dhatus. गच्छति सामान्य गमनार्थक धातुः. गम गच्छति. माणवकः ग्रामं गच्छति. माणवकः means young student. ग्रामं गच्छति. Somebody is sending him to grama. So niche is to be added. Gamayati. Gacchati will becomes gamayati in nijantam. So gamayati manavakam gramam. मानवकः ग्रामं गच्छति. तत्र शुद्ध धातु प्रयोगः. मानवकः इति प्रथमा विभक्तौ कर्तृकारकम्. मानवकः is the karta of the verb gacchati. So when it is gacchati is converted to nijantam, it is made gamayati, then the person becomes the person who is sending him to the village, he becomes the karta. The person actually goes, who goes, he becomes karma. Anikarta now karma. So gamayati manavakam gramam. Manavakam iti dvitiya, karmani dvitiya. Yati manavakaha gramam. Instead of gacchati, I have used yati. Yapayati manavakam gramam. Yapayati is the nijanta rupam of the yati. We will take one praptyardhakam. Rogi shamam labhate. He obtains upashantihi, cure. Rogi shamam labhate. Labhate is the shuddha dhatu prayoga. वैद्यः रोगिणं शमं लम्भयति. लभते इत्यस्य निजन्तरूपं लम्भयति. अत्र वैद्यः इति प्रयोजकः. प्रयोजकः कर्ता भवति. प्रयुक्तः, the person who has been who obtained this peace from the roga, he becomes karma. There in Gacchardhaka dhatu visaye there is one vartikam that is also equally important. Gacchardheshu ni vakhyoho pratishedho vaktavyaha. What does this mean? Gacchardheshu, Gacchardhaka dhatunam prayogeshu, ni vakhyoho, ni prapane iti dhatuhu, vaha prapane iti dhatuhu, etad dhatu dvayam. These two dhatus, they are also Gacchardhaka dhatus. When these dhatus are practically used in the sentence, pratishedho vaktavyaha. That is, it is to be borrowed from karma sanya. Anikarta sanau iti yaduktam asti tasya viruddham. Even though ni and vah, both dhatus, they are gacchardhakas, they don't get now. The karta in aniprayoga will not get karmatvam in now. What does he get? If he doesn't get karmatvam, what does he get? He is the instrument. For the prayojaka, the prayukta is instrument. So instrument gets the karanardhaka. So tritiya. So when this is banned, karmakarakam is banned, karanakarakam occupies its place. Nayati bharam devadattaha. Devadatta carries a weight. Nayayati bharam devadattena. Somebody else, for example, Yajnadattaha. Nayayati bharam devadattena. Devadatta, originally in Shuddha Dhatu Prayoga, he is Karta. Now he is becoming Karana because karma is banned here. Vahati bharam devadattaha. Vaha prapane, carrying. Vahayati bharam devadattena. Here there is an additional vartika. Niyantrukartrukasya vahehe anisedhaha. Nama nisedhasya nisedhaha. Because ni dhatuhu vaha dhatuhu anikarta sannau na bhavati ichuktam. Tasya nisedha kutra kevalam vaha dhatuhu visaye. He has taken only one of those two dhatus. Vaha dhatu prayoge vaha prapane iti dhatu etadapi gacchardhakameva. Vaha dhatu prayoge niyantrukartrukasya anisedhaha. That means niyantrukartrukaha ichukte, when the prerana data, when the person who directs the doer to do a particular action, when that person is a niyanta, dictator, his ajna cannot be violated. Yatha nayati bharam devadattaha. It is because of Devadatta's obedience he is carrying that burden. He could have rejected it. But in this niyantrukartrukatvam, there is no option for him. So niyantrukartrukasya prayoge niyanta kaha bhavati, pashunam prerakaha niyanta bhavati. Generally, men, they have got freedom to refuse. They may be punished, that is a different thing. But in the case of animals, like Ashwa, Vrishabha. They can be controlled by the Preraka. They can be caned, they can be brought into the line. So, Niyantru Kartrukasya. Niyantru Kartruka means it is Pashu Preraka iti artha svikartavyaha. Tatra Niyantru Kartrukasya ata Pashu Prerakasya vahehe anishayataha. Example, Balivardaha. Balivardaha means Rishabha. Yavan Vahanti. Yavan Vahati. Yava means a particular crop. Balivardaha, they put the crop in a particular cart and hang it on his head, on his shoulder, and ask him to bear it. Suppose he refuses to bear, the Yajamana will cane him and ask him to get into line. So, he has Niyantru Kartukaha, Pashu Prerakaha. So, here, Vahadhatoho compulsorily it will be Anikarta now karma eva bhavati. So, Yavan Vahati iti Shuddha Dhatu Prayogaha. Vahayati Yavan Balivardhan Niyanta Pashu Prerakaha. Here, Balivarda Shabdaha compulsorily it has to be used in Ditiya only because it is becomes a karma. Now karma bhavati. So also Vahaha Ashwaha, let us take Ashwaha Ratham Vahanti. Ashwaha Ratham Vahanti. They don't themselves carry it unless punishment is imposed by the Niyanta, Ratha Sarathihi, they won't move. So here you say, Sutaha Vahan Ratham Vahayati. Vahati iti tasya Nichirupam Vahayati. Sutaha Prayojaka Karta. Vahan Vahaha Prayuktaha Karta. Vahan Ratham Vahan. Etadapi Vahanani iti Dvitiya bhavati. Karmakarakam bhavati. Next we will go to Buddhyardhaka Dhatavaha. Buddhyardhaka Dhatavaha. Buddhi means jnanam. Samanya jnanam. Indriyaihi jnanam. To see, to hear, to feel the pulse of it, or to smell. These are all the Buddhyardhaka Dhatavaha. Jnanardhakaha. Atra we will take one example. Tatrapi anikarta now karma bhavati. Buddhyate manavakaha dharmam. The young student, he understands dharma concept. Who is the person making him understand? The Guru. Bodhayati Manavakam Dharmam. Buddha Dhatuhu, Buddha Avagamane iti Jnanardhaka Dhatuhu. So in Jnanardhaka Dhatu bhir yoge, Anikarta now karma bhavati. Bodhayati Manavakam Dharmam Guruhu. Here Guruhu is Prayojaka Karta, Manavakaha Prayujya Karta. Veti Manavakaha Dharmam. Veti Vida Jnane, Jnanardhaka Dhatu. Veti ityasya nijantarupam Vedayati. Vedayati Manavakam Dharmam Guruhu. Now we will go to the Pratyavasanartha. This the Shabda Artha to be combined with Gati, Buddhi and Pratyavasana. Even though this is added only to Pratyavasana, because this is Dvandva Samasa, that Artha will belong to all the three. Gachyarthaka we have taken, Buddhyarthaka we have taken, ప్రత్యవసానం నుంచి భక్షణం, ఈటింగ్, కన్స్యూమింగ్, ఈటింగ్ ఆర్ డ్రింకింగ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. We will take bhuj dhatu. Bhuja anavane abhyavahare. Odanam bhunte. Shuddha dhatu prayoga. He eats food. Bhojayati manavakam odanam. For example, Guru Mata, Guru Patni, माता मानवकम ओदनम भोजयति. मानवक शब्द which is karta in the shuddha dhatu prayoga, it becomes karma here, so it gets the dvitiya. We will take another dhatu, bhojanardhaka dhatu. Asha bhojane अश्नाति इति रूपम. अश्नाति मानवकः ओदनम. The young student eats food. अशिधातोः निजंत प्रयोगे आशयति. आशयति मानवकम ओदनम. अत्र मानवक शब्दः शुद्ध धातु प्रयोगे कर्ता, अत्र कर्म भवति. Here we have got a vartikam again. Adikadyoho pratishedho vaktavyaha. Pratishedaha means anikarta now karma na bhavati ichartha. For uchi dhatus, adi and khadi, adi and khadi, these dhatus are taken in the nijanta form only. Ada dhatuhu. तत्र तस्य निजंत रूपम आदि. खाद धातुः खादि. So actually the nijanta rupas are taken. Both are they mean bhakshanam only, pratyavasanardham only. Adi khadyo yoge pratishedaha vaktavyaha. Pratishedaha means anikarta now karma na bhavati. केवलम आदि खादि इति प्रयोगे अद भोजने खाद्रु भोजने. अत्ति मानवकः ओदनम. आदयते मानवकेन ओदनम. खादति मानवकः ओदनम. शुद्ध धातु प्रयोगः. खादयति मानवकेन ओदनम. Because this is karma is banned here, it becomes karana. Again there is a bhaksher ahimsardhasya pratishedo vaktavyaha. Bhaksha dhatuhu. That is also pratyavasanardha dhatuhu. Eating, consuming food. Bhaksha dhatoho yoge anikarta now karma na bhavati. If that bhakshanam is ahimsarthaha, in the process of that bhakshanam, himsa is not there. What is himsardhaka bhakshanam and ahimsardhaka bhakshanam? This nishedha is only in respect of ahimsardha bhakshanam. Again, contrarily to it, himsardhaka bhakshakasya nishedho na bhavati. We will take up example afterwards. So, how do you signify? It is himsardhakam va, ahimsardhakam va. Suppose somebody kills an animal, a deer, and eats its food, eats its flesh. It is himsardhaka. Suppose you are eating a shaka, vegetable. Even though strictly speaking, vegetables, trees also they carry prana as per our Vedic dictum, but still when that is plucked and stored somewhere, it has no life. So शाकभक्षणम् इत्यादयः, शाकभक्षणं वा सस्यभक्षणं वा, they are not signifying himsa. They don't involve violence. So, ahimsardhasya bhakshehe pratishedo vaktavyaha. We will take one example. Bhakshayati, bhakshadhatoho शुद्धधातुरूपं भक्षयति, निजन्तधातुरूपम् अपि भक्षयति एव, because already that niche is there inside, because that belongs to 10th dhatu gana. 10th dhatu gana already niche is there. So nijanta dhatuhu and anijanta dhatuhu, they carry the same sense in lakaras. They carry the same shape. Bhakshayati pindim Devadattaha. Bhakshayati pindim Devadattaha. Bhakshayati pindim Devadattena. Ahimsardhakasya bhakshidhatoho nishetah kila. So Devadattena iti karanam. Why did you say ahimsardhasya? Himsardhasya bhakshanehe bhakshana dhatoho prayoge निषेधो नास्ति. हिंसार्धकस्य भक्षण विषये अस्माभिः उक्तं सस्यम, a plant, a grass plant just plucked from the field, it contains prana. When you store it somewhere, it loses. So sasya bhakshanam, when it is prarudham in the kshetra, and lunam, that is recently only it is plucked. The grass is cut recently, that carries life with it. So that will become himsardhakasya. Himsardhakasya bhakshana dhato prayoge nishedho nasti. Bhakshayati balivardaha sasyam. The ox is eating grass grown in the kshetra and cut recently, just then. In this case, there is no nishedha. So, when you use nijanta dhatuhu, bhakshayanti balivardhan sasyam. Balivarda shabdaha anikarta now karma bhavati. Because it is himsardhakasya bhakshanam. Now we will go to the Shabda Karma. Shabda Karma Dhatunam Yoge Anikarta Now Karma Bhavati. Shabda Karma Adhite Adhyayanam Karoti Chatha. That involves sound making. So Adhite Manavako Vedam. Adhyapayati Manavakam Vedam. So, Manavaka Shabdaha, it gets karma sanya here. Pathati Manavakaha Vedam. Pathayati Manavakaha Vedam. Ichadayaha. Akarmakanam, you will take. Akarmaka Dhatuhu, already we have given a good number of examples in 2 slokas. Akarmaka Dhatuhu. So, Tesham Prayoge api Anikarta now karma bhavatyeva. Example, asa upaveshane. Aste devadattaha. Devadattaha sits. Asa dhatoho nijanta dhatu prayoge asayati iti rupam. Asayati devadattam. Somebody else makes him sit. Asayati devadattam. Sete devadattaha. Devadattaha sleeps. Shayayati devadattam. The same, all these dhatunam visaye, there is an interesting sloka which has been taken from Puranas. All the examples contained here, they are contained there also. Only Nijanta Dhatu's Prayoga has been taken. क्रमेण गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्द कर्मक अकर्मक all this 1 2 3 4 5 types of dhatus in one single sloka taken from Puranas. Example is given. I will just read that sloka. Shatrun agamayat swargam vedartham swan avedayan आशयच्च अमृतं देवान् वेदमध्यापयत् विधिम् आसयति सलिले पृथ्वीं यः समे श्रीहरिर्गतिः. Srihari has done all this. Srihari is the preraka. What did he do? Shatrun agamayat swargam. He has sent the enemies to Swarga. Agamayat iti which prayogaha? Agachat ichasya agamayat. Vedardham swan avedayan. Aviduhu iti langrupam vidatatohu. They knew. He made them know. Vedardham swan avedayan. Ashayatcha amrutam devan. He made devas eat amrutam. Ashayati. Ashayat iti langrupam of ashnat. Ashnan ichasya. Veda madhyapayat vidhim. Asayat salile pudhvim. Asayat means he makes the earth sit in the water. Same Sriharir Gatihi. In one particular single sloka, all these 5 types of dhatus have been contained. So it's a very significant sloka. Then we will take some counter examples. Gati buddhi pratyavasanardha ichyadi uktam. Only in such cases anikarta now karma bhavati. Why it is restricted like that? Dhatus which do not have these meanings, there anikarta now karma na bhavati. We will take one example. Pachati. Do pachashpake. Cooking. Cooking is not contained in these dhatus. So, Pachati odanam devadattaha. Devadatta cooks the food. Somebody pachayati odanam devadattena. Here Devadatta doesn't get karma sanya, nijanta dhatu. Devadatta is the instrument through whom the pachana kriya has been got performed. Then anikarta now karma bhavati chuktam. Why did he say anikarta? That means nichikarta now karma na bhavati. Karanameva bhavati. We will take an example. Gacchati devadatta shuddha dhatu prayogaha. Atra devadattaha is the person who is performing the action. Gamayati devadattam yajnadattaha. Yajnadattaha is the director. He makes him do that work. He makes him go. So here Gamayati devadattam yajnadattaha. It is here devadatta the karta in the aniprayoga. It got the karma sanya here. But again, if somebody else is provoking that Yajnadatta to make Devadatta go, in turn, there, because Gamayati Devadattam Yajnadattaha iti, Gamayati iti Nichayukta prayogaha. Anikarta now karma bhavati. Nikarta now karma bhavati itu anuktam kila. Tari atra nijanta dhatunam prayoge कर्ता यः अस्ति पुनर् तस्य निजन्त प्रयोगे सः कर्म न भवति. तर्हि गमयति देवदत्तं यज्ञदत्तः, गमयति यज्ञदत्तेन देवदत्तं विष्णुमित्रः. So here Devadatta is the performer of the Gamana action and Yajnadatta is the director of that action. Vishnumitraha is the director of Yajnadatta, who in turn makes the Devadatta go. So in the second prayoga, because that is Nijanta Dhatuhu, Nijanta Dhatunam yoge yad kartrupadam tad karma apavati punah Nijanta yoge. Now we will take another sutra. Hikror anyatarasyam. Hirikroho. Here two dhatus are employed. Hiru harane, kru karane. Hiru harane means harana means carrying. Karana means doing. एतयोः प्रयोगे अन्यतरस्यां कर्मकारकं भवति. हरति इति धातोः प्रयोगे, करोति इति धातोः प्रयोगे अन्यन्तयोः यः कर्ता अनिकर्ता कर्म भवति विकल्पेन. Here you can add कर्मकारकं अनिकर्ता now. That also you can be anuvritti. Anikarta hru dhatoh prayoge, harati dhatu prayoge, karoti dhatu prayoge cha anikarta now vikalpena karma bhavati. So you get two types of prayoga. Karma bhavati chet prayogaha, karma na bhavati chet karanam bhavati. Harati bharam manavakaha. When harati is converted to nichi, it becomes harayati. Harayati bharam manavakam. When manavaka gets karma sanya, harayati bharam manavakam. Vikalpena bhavati kila. Suppose it is not getting karma karaka, then it gets karana karaka. Harayati bharam Manavakena. Karoti katam devadattaha. Devadattaha, he prepares, he does a mat. Karayati katam devadattam athava devadattena. So this is what Hikroranyatarasyam means. Then we will take next sutra. Swatantraha karta. Kartrukaraka sanya sutram etat. Kartrukarakam he has finally reserved for the final place. He has started with apadana karakam and then sampadana karakam and then adhikarana karakam, then karana karakam and then karma karakam. Finally he comes to kartrukarakam. Why this kartrukaraka sanya sutram is added in the last? This is to facilitate vipratishethe parankaryam. Suppose somewhere in a particular context you get a conflict, that is samana viruddha vishayanam prayoge. Yes, we have to take the later. Vipratishethe parankaryam. So then we will try to understand this. Swatantraha karta. Kriya siddhau yaha swatantraha bhavati saha kartrukarakam bhavati iti samanyarthaha. What is this swatantraha? Swatantraha means independent. Who has freedom to act. Freedom to act, freedom to refuse to act, freedom to act in a particular different way. Kartum, akartum, anyadha kartum. Yadha bhagavatah shaktaya kartum shaktir bhavati bhagavatah. Tadeva vakya prayoge api kartru visheke, he has got freedom to do or to undo or to do otherwise. Do anyadha. So, but this particular word, swatantraha, it means it requires some clarification. What does this mean actually? Swam tantram yasya saha iti yadi vadamaha bahuvri samaso bhavati. What is the tantram? Tantram means of doing it, the technique of doing it, the principle of doing it. Swam tantram, the person who has got tantram in himself. That means it doesn't depend upon any another thing. So, swam tantram yasya saha. If you take this meaning, what does it mean? A person like Tantuvaya. Tantuvaya means a weaver. He can be called Swatantra.
But he is not direct.
He has got tantram in his hands. These tantus are there. They are the tantrams with which he performs the action. So, when you take this meaning, that means that a person having a tantram, he only gets the kartu sanya. So, devadattaha pachati ichadishu devadattasya kartrutvam na bhavati. It doesn't have tantram. So, this meaning should not be taken. Second meaning is swam dhanam samanya tantram yasya. For doing anything, you require money. So, money also is in general tantram. So, this meaning also is to be taken, not to be taken, because it also requires tantram. Third way of meaning is swatantraha means pradhanaha icharthaha. Pradhana bhutaha. Kriya siddhau pradhana bhutaha. It doesn't require any means. Let there be means present or let there be absent. So this swatantraha pradhana bhutaha na guni bhutaha, not secondary but primary. The person primarily responsible for performing the action is to be taken as swatantra. So for the purpose of interpreting this sutra, we will say aguni bhutaha. That means pradhanaha yaha kriya siddhau swatantrena vivachyate. Swatantrena vivachyate. He is described as if he is swatantra. Swatantrena vivachyate tat karakam kartu sanyam bhavati. Here swatantrena vivachyate chuktam. Sometimes in certain prayogas, for example, we will say devadattaha pachati. Devadatta is swatantraha. It gets kartru karakam. Sometimes we use sentences like sthali pachati. Sthali means the vessel used for cooking. Actually, it is not having swatantriya. That is achetana shabdaha, achetana padarthaha. How can it have its own free will? But still, it is used in the sentence as if it has got free will. That is why swatantrena vivachitaha ichuktam. That means even though it is not completely at free will, he is described in the sentence as if he has got free will. Sthali is not having free will, but still the prayoga is there. The existing prayoga in loka vyavahara, the vessel cooks. Sthali pachati. So sthali also, it is swatantrena vivachitaha, that also gets the kartrukarakatvam. Now, with this, we'll come to our refrain. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryankaravavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.